welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, today we have a wig sent over from Incolorwig. They sent over this beautiful 99J curly wig for me to try for you all today. So if you guys are interested, let's get started. Alright, so this is what the unit looks like coming straight out of the packaging. It has a wonderful density. The color is popping, okay? I'm always a fan of 99J, red colored hair. So I'm really feeling this color. So how this unit is made in the inside, the construction of it, it is a closure wig. However, they do have the tracks built into the closure area, giving you a limited lace space to work with, but it's going to be super easy to install and a lot less work. So with the space that they give you towards the hairline and the space they give you in the parting space, you can pluck it a little bit in case you feel that you need to customize it a tad bit more. I am going to customize mine just a tad bit with a little bit of plucking here and there just to thin it out as possible, as much as possible when I install it. So I have tried one of these wigs in the past, so today I'm going to give you guys a side part style. Even though the wig is basically made to be worn in the middle, I'm going to show you that you can adjust it and wear it on the side. We love versatility, right? So I'm giving you guys these versatile options with this unit. I also want to throw in that this is a very beginner friendly wig. I feel like it gives you just a little bit of access to working with a lace. I think it would really be nice for someone who might not have that much experience in lace and you just want to try to give it a try and see how you like it. I think this would be a great step for your first try. So I'm just going to sit the wig over to the side, and I did do those adjustable bands in the back to make the wig a lot more snug, so that way we don't have to use a whole bunch of product to hold the wig in place. This unit also has combs on the side, so you can use those combs on your temple area as well for the extra security. So to make this unit look a little bit more natural, I am going to add just a few baby hairs on it, more into the side, or both sides, shall I say. I will comb out this wig some just to kind of see what I'm working with. My tools, of course, that I use are my hot comb and my edge pomade stick. It helps get the roots nice and flat. It also adds a little bit of shine and sheen to the hair. It just helps it look a lot more wearable. So to make my baby hairs, I'm just going to part out a little bit of it in the front. We're going to pluck that out some, and then I'm just going to cut it in an angle. And to lay my baby hairs down, I'm going to use my my edge, what do you call this? Shoot, my edge brush, just to get these nice and swooped into space. And I'm using my Got To Be gel. I'm using some gel to hold it in place. And we're just gonna swoop those over. And of course, you guys, if you want to, you can cut them a little bit shorter. I always cut mine a little bit longer, and then if I need to, I'll cut it down some more after styling. So once I get the baby hair styled, then we're going to move on to just wetting the hair. I'm going to just put water in my hair. You can also use mousse or whatever you want to use to activate your curls. I'm just going to do water and actually just let it towel dry and air dry some. And this is what it looks like 80% dry. It was a tad bit damp, but if it dries down a little bit more, you're still going to have that big hair look, but it's going to look a little bit more tamed and styled. But you can also leave it just full, full and dry, and just brush it out if you like that bigger hair look. So once you finish doing that, you guys, that's pretty much it. And like I said, it is a very easy installation process, very much so beginner friendly. I would highly suggest it if you're trying to get into wigs. Also, if you just want to try color, this type of wig being built this way, I think it would be a really good way to try and just get yourself into wigs. So I want to say thank you to Incolorwig for sending over today's unit. If you guys are interested in it, I'm going to have that direct link in my description bar below. Make sure you check it out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Let me know how you feel about this unit in my comment section below. I really, really would love to hear it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.